Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into the Leap app for students. First, open the Leap app on your smartphone or tablet. Then, find the student login section, which is usually clearly marked. You will need your unique student identification number and your secure password to proceed. This process ensures your account is protected and personalized for your learning journey. If you've forgotten your login details, don't worry. Simply tap the Forgot Password link on the login screen. You'll then be prompted to enter your registered email address. An email containing a password reset link will be sent to you. Follow the instructions in that email to easily create a new, secure password for your account. Sometimes you might encounter login issues. First, check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial. Double-check that you've entered your student ID and password correctly, paying attention to capitalization. If problems persist, try clearing the app's cache and data in your device settings. Also, ensure your Leap app is updated to the newest version for optimal performance. If you've tried these steps and still can't log in, it's time to contact support. Visit the Leap app's official support website, where you can often find answers in the Frequently Asked Questions section. If needed, you can submit a support ticket online, providing details of your issue. Alternatively, a dedicated support hotline is available for direct assistance during business hours.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.